The way you touch me, the way you hold me, you more than number one. Hey, yeah, you done your girl stations and hear me. This is all about the Trainfit and Tru Juice Moonlight and River-Bonfire party. What makes this a party with a difference? Because your support gives back, it helps. So I'll be a part of this event. I need you there, I need your support. It's all in aid of the KPH PhysioTherapy department. So every ticket purchase, you help up, you do something with your partying, make your whining contribute. Tru Juice Orchards comes alive on October the 26th. You need to turn out to the Trainfit and Tru Juice Moonlight and River-Bonfire party. Listen, come parade with me for physiotherapy.
The way you touch me, the way you hold me, say you are more than number one.